Don't talk about my hair right now, or don't talk about the stocking cap. It's like 11:04 a.m. We woke up around I woke up around 6 a.m. because I was gonna go to the gym, but I saw everyone still asleep, obviously, so I was like, whatever. I'm gonna go to the gym tonight though. I really want to go down to the gym, maybe to the pool. I'm about to do my makeup. But good morning. I'm about to do my makeup because we're about to go back down to Rockefeller Center, further down. We were at Times Square, but we're gonna go further down to Rockefeller Center so that we can you know, see. We're gonna go do some more shopping and see some more stuff and maybe even go ice skating. So I want to look cute because I want to do cute photos. Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're doing a mini makeup tutorial. I'm in New York right now and I'm filming a vlog. You can see this video in the vlog, but I'm filming a makeup tutorial. Not a makeup tutorial, but just get ready with me to go out kind of thing. So that's what we're gonna do. Really quick, really short, probably sped up the entire time, but you guys will hear me talk. So yeah, let's get started. I probably won't even like that intro towards the end, but it's okay. So we're gonna do my makeup. Yesterday, oh, that was a lot. Yesterday was really fun. We met some people down there. Her mom's name, well, I don't really know if she wants her mom's name up here. I will ask her, but her mom's name is Judith and her name was Cece. They were really cute, really fun. We met them down here and we're not really doing everything together, but we're just it's kind of easier to travel in a group, I guess. So that's what that is. I posted some updates on my Instagram and stuff. You guys probably know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna post some more today. Well, after I do my makeup, I'm gonna post an update and be like, so you guys will see it. It'll be a YouTube short. And then I'll be out now, so you guys will know what I'm talking about. I just sprayed my face with witch hazel and toner, just because. This is my makeup because I haven't done my makeup in a while and I have new products and that I want to use. So yeah, we're doing a mini makeup tutorial. Oh, I should do a 2-in-1, a makeup tutorial, guys. So we're gonna start with, I need primer. Where's my primer? I think this is my skincare bag. I'll be back. I had to find my freaking primer. So I'm gonna prime our face. So far, what I think about New York, it's really fun. New York is not built for me, and I'm not built for New York, but it's cool. We would definitely come back here. What we've done so far is we went down to Times Square. I saw a K-pop shop. Now y'all know me. We are gonna go back, and I have to buy something. I don't care. I found this trick that after you prime, you do a setting spray. You guys already know what primer I use. I'll link everything down below, but I'm going in with the setting spray, the Make It Last. What is it? The Milani Make It Last original setting spray. Whew. So after we do that, we're gonna go in with concealer. This is I don't know what this is, guys. We're gonna do concealer. And we're gonna do, I got this NYX or NYX professional color corrector. I learned that color corrector is efficient, especially for dark spots and dark circles. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah! Oh my god. Y'all, I don't know what they're doing. They're trying to put my sister's hair into a slick back and they keep calling me to help. And I'm like, girl, I'm trying to do my makeup. So yeah, I didn't open it. Well, I already used it, as you can see, but I tried not to open it so I can show you guys. So now that I opened it, I can take this off. Alright. Oh no, see, my mom got freaking water. The dang palette. So when I looked on online and stuff, they were like, use color corrector for, I'm gonna use this brush for color corrector. They said to use like pink and yellow stuff for like dark spots. So, or should I look it up? Going with the pink first and just kind of, I think they said use yellow for dark spots because they have a blue undertone. But I used it so far, and guys, it blends really well. The color corrector really works, guys. Because I was like, you know, when you do makeup, and it's like, okay, you cover your dark spots, but like, at the same time, they're still there. This doesn't do that, which is really fun. I should have did both the pinks first. And trust me, it looks crazy. I don't want to cover my mole with my color corrector, though, because it'll really cover it. I was gonna buy like the color corrector that had like the blue, like the mint color and like the purple and stuff, but I feel like that was for more like fair skin, and I have medium skin, so the medium skin. So to get this, I got all of this stuff on Amazon, y'all. Like I would go into Ulta and like see what I need, and then if it was too expensive in Ulta or it was out of stock, then babe, I would go straight to Amazon and order, and that's exactly what I did. This is a spot that I really want to cover. I want to cover it with pink because this like dark spot, and then some yellow maybe because it's really dark. It's lightening up well, but it's still really dark. I don't want to put too much though, and then maybe a little bit of brown to like even it out. Using like this light brown color, and I like pat that over. Okay. I look crazy. I'm not really crazy over covering these. At the same time, I kind of am. And I have a birthmark on my face, so it's like, y'all. You pop pimples and I pop-ish. You talk like that when you're really that big. Feeling myself, I'm conceited. It's like my whole face. I don't think you're supposed to, y'all. This is like my first time actually using color corrector for like all day. I don't use it like that, so this one kind of just, we're gonna go with the flow. We're gonna learn how to use it, I swear, y'all. We're gonna learn how to use it. I'm putting the pink all over like these dark spots. They say use pink and yellow for dark spots because I googled it. Y'all, Google has everything. I'm trying not to use this brush too hard, but it's giving Picasso. Yeah, I like it, Picasso. Yeah. Okay. This is crazy. There, now we're gonna go in with my concealer. So I'm gonna go in with my Infallible Full Wear by, what is this, L'Oreal Paris. I'm gonna go in with this. You guys already know about this. And I'm gonna put this, just a small dot of this, underneath my eyes. And then I'm gonna go in with, this is in shade Pecan 380. Right, you guys can see that room. Pecan 380. And I'm gonna go in with this this Can't Stop, Won't Stop NYX concealer in the shade, wait, this is in the shade Warm Honey. Oh wait, no, my bad, not that one. The one in Golden Honey. That one. You guys see it? I don't know why that's making that sound. Use that brush. Oh my god. No, I'm struggling. I think I'm gonna actually use one of these brushes. Guys, which brush should I use? I think I'm gonna use this one. Should I not use this? Okay, whatever. I'm gonna use it. So we're gonna use this brush for the concealer. I think I need a lot, to be honest. Okay, I think I need a little bit more concealer. I don't want to put too much though because in color. And then I'm just gonna cover it like that. I'm gonna cover all of this with the concealer. Well, I'm gonna cover the color. I'm gonna cover the color corrected parts with concealer. I don't want to put on all the makeup though, because we're gonna be out and about, and I'm gonna be wearing my mask and stuff like that. So it's really no point Like, y'all, it's really no point. But if I take my mask off to take pictures, I want to look cute, guys. So that's what it's for.
Wish I could get back to lying beside you on the bed. I like it, take it off. I like thinking about every bad mistake I might. I like it, thinking it's easy to say. Something that you did to hurt me last, it comes to me. First time, one day I just wanna hear you say, I like it. Stopping you.
So now, guys, what are we going with? What do we do? No, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, okay? Let's do my eyebrows. Let's talk about all that. I did my eyebrows, though, and they look so stinking good. I got a mirror. Did I buy this mirror? No, I didn't, so I cannot tell you where it's from because I didn't buy it, but I found this mirror, so when I say found, let's be specific. This is just to clean it up. Y'all, I haven't eaten breakfast yet. But you guys know I'm not a breakfast person anyways. And if you didn't, now you know. I'm not really a breakfast person. Don't get me wrong, I love breakfast food. Who doesn't? And I love to eat breakfast. But I'm like a 9, 10 o'clock breakfast person. I'm not a 7, 8 a.m. And it's funny because I wake up, I'm an early bird when I want to be, so I wake up at like 6. I wake up at like 6 or 5, y'all. I can't talk while I do my eyebrows. I didn't think that this was true. I just thought that some people just couldn't talk while doing their eyebrows just because. But this is a true thing. You can't talk while doing your eyebrows. First, we're going to go in with my eyeshadow brush. And we're going to choose Zing, Doll, and Outgoing. These are the 3 that I always use. So Zing, Doll, and Outgoing. I'm going to go in first with Doll, because I'm a doll.
That's a good bag.
The book bag is by the front. Okay, I think that's honestly fine. Then I'm gonna go in with the Zing.
What do you mean, like?
Going with the Outgoing in the front. Just like that. I need to get better at like buffing and blending my eyeshadow. What am I getting with Doll? Blend it. And that's not bad. And then and that's that, you know? Trying to do the same thing again.
everybody's dressing. So where's my makeup? I gotta put on my makeup.
I didn't wear makeup yesterday, and I said I didn't need to. But I want to do my makeup today. Y'all, they're just bothering me now. But see my eyeshadow? I'll show you guys my eyeshadow. Yeah, see it? It's cute. It's cute. It's simple. I don't know which gold to use. Maybe hey. Maybe I use dripping diamonds. I thought gold dipped, but maybe I'll try gold dipped. The Rimmel eyeliner, black. Okay guys, so this is the look. I definitely overbeat. I put on too much for where we're going. I put on a little too much for where we're going, but it's cute. I love it. So, oh wait, maybe I should back guys so you guys can see. It's a lot. It's the fit in a second. Well, let me show you guys the fit now. Okay. I'll link everything down below. I'm not wearing a necklace though because it's a tournament. I have a necklace to wear, but I'm not. I'm gonna take some pictures now. Wait, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And it's awkward because they can hear me. That's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And yeah, as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and love. Bye.